I can get it out the mud, man. You hear me? I be logging, man. All right, guys. We got some rain last night. Jesus. So, but we loaded for this morning. But man, if we got it here, I know the woods is just messed up. So it's gonna be a slow day today, y'all. But let me get in here and follow the red up and I'll turn y'all back on. All right, y'all. We're getting some rain this morning. Let's see. Getting some rain this morning, man, and like I said, we loaded. We're gonna try to get this load on down to Silver Creek. I just don't believe. Look at all the water puddle is full. I just don't believe now, with all the rain we done got throughout the night, that we're gonna be able to work today, because the other week when it rained, man, it was slippery and sliding, and I don't know, man. So we just gonna drop this load. Then when we drop this load, we're gonna make a phone call and we're gonna see what we doing, what they doing out there in the woods, man. But do me a favor real quick, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Shout out to all the new people that just joined from last night. We got a tip hauler, that's a retired tip hauler that joined last night. Shout out to you, man. I forgot your name, but welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. This is a brotherhood channel. This is a safe place. You can come, vent, whatever you need to do here. This channel is for you. You see what I'm saying? It's catered for men and, you know, for women too. You know what I'm saying? But we mostly have 90% of men following the channel. So this channel, I hope it helps you grow in life and your walk with Christ, your everyday walk as a man. And I pray that nothing but blessings follow you and your family. Hey, but all right, we got that out the way. We're gonna try to bag up, man. As y'all can see, I got a big water portal that I gotta bag in. So I gotta make sure everything good when I go through there. Now I got to go through it. But anyway, y'all, we'll turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we here in Silver Creek. They still doing test loads, so there ain't gonna be no trucks in here, maybe 1 or 2 trucks, different that. But they been shut down for a few months. Been doing a lot of upgrade on the mill and everything. So now we just been bringing a little small loads of chipping salt for test wood for them. I done came here maybe twice last week. lumber, and then you come toward Mississippi, I'm pretty sure y'all have been to Joe Miles down here in Silver Creek. Lumber, chips, logs. Yeah, they still got a lot of work they got going on down here. That rain done put a stop to it though today. Sorry about the shakiness, y'all. It's a rough little road. Wish I had that bin full of scrap metal to curl. Shit. So they got a little pile of wood stacked up over there. They've been bringing it in. No, I done brought me about 3 loads over here. This is my 3rd one, I think. Rock me out of the seat. Let me get out, y'all, and get my stuff out. I forgot to put my binder right there last night. Somebody stole my other one. Let me set my camera up and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, I just talked to 8-Ball, and 8-Ball said that he just not going to get the bulldozer and cut to the woods. So that means if 8-Ball just not going to get the bulldozer, I might as well not even go to the woods right now, because it's still raining and I don't think we're gonna work. Knowing how we operate here at Oklahoma, I don't think we're gonna do nothing today. So I'm just gonna go to the house. I ain't even gonna call Brian, cause I ain't even heard from him. And like I said, I just talked to 8-Ball. And if 8-Ball just not going to be the bulldozer, the cut to the wood, then they got to blade the road. So they're gonna take a little minute. Nah, I ain't finna do all that waiting. So if I'm gonna wait at home. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Got this 9 Peterbilt coming in here, y'all. On the right thing. See it right there. Hold on. I'm trying to find where to sit my dog on GoPro. I just had to hold it. Yeah. Know it got a cat, and it got the cat power tag on it and everything. Like, whole house that we got on the door. I don't know where he is. But yeah, we got that load up off of y'all, so we fit to check out. And today might be over as quick as it got started. If that's true, I'm fine with that today too, man. I'm gonna stop somewhere, sit down and do something that I never really do, and then sit down and eat me some breakfast. That's what I'm thinking about doing, man. Go to Woolworths somewhere and sit my butt down, eat me a little breakfast, go on back to the house. Yeah. Should I go home, pick up the wife and Eli and Em and take them to breakfast? I don't know, man. That's more money. Spending money ain't making money, so I don't know, y'all. I might have to just take me out today, you know what I'm saying? I take them out every weekend. Every time we out, I feed them. So might just have to feed your boy today, y'all. Yeah. But anyway, man, let me get on this scale so I can get up out of here, y'all. Alright guys, we came on to the woods. 8-Ball is up on the load of German just left out. They got the skill of trying to get 8-Ball trailer out because he dropped his trailer over there yesterday to hook up to the low boy to bring the bulldozer. But I mean, they got wood on the ground. Ain't too much on the ramp. Look like a load of put wood over there on the ramp and a little load of chipping saw. So we just gonna see, man. I know 8-Ball told me I can get in front of him, but I don't know, is he still gonna let me do it or what? I hope so I can get me another load and get on back. Anyway, man, I'm out here just trying to get me $1 or $2. You know what I'm saying? Ain't got time to be doing all this waiting around. But yeah, we out here though, man. Alright, y'all. I'm pretty much stuck, man. Just spinning and sliding on top of this, all this soupy stuff. Yeah. But it just got a lot of the, it's kind of hard on the bottom, but you got to get all this soupy stuff, man, off the top. And that skitter blade don't do as good as the bulldozer. So I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. We'll get turned around here at the wild, man. All right, guys, we up under the loader now. It's wet out here, man. It's wet. You got a stand over there. It's wet out here. I don't know what Bill at today, but we're gonna post up and let y'all get some footage, man. I'm gonna cut y'all on the time lapse while Brian loaded me, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, he just about got me loaded, man. I've been out here on TikTok, man, looking at some stuff. So I can get some idea for the OBS. Want to get back motivated for the KW, but right now, man, it's so easier to do the OBS because it's cheaper and it's already going. You know what I'm saying? But we still gonna try to make it happen, y'all. We come a long way from when we first got the truck, so hey, that's a plus. But like I said, man, money just tight right now. We're just trying to do what we can to stay afloat, keep things moving along. I'm getting ready to get back in the truck, man, because I'm pretty much loaded now. 3 more sticks and I'll be out here. All right, y'all, we arriving. Going up under the crane down here in Lumberton with the second load for the day. And we are going back to get the third one. But before I go back, I gotta go into the town so I can get some diesel. Cause I'm running real low. Real low. Yeah, got this thing stopped. Get out of here, let that crane hook to me. My doggone thing done broke right there. Yep, we down here, y'all. I'm the only truck in the mill right now. Got one going, 3 of them back there waiting to go on scale, but they'll be in and out real quick. But yep, here we go. Alright, buddy. You was out of it for real. Alright, y'all. Got my 3rd load. Got 8 Ball and Romeo coming in. So I got a bag up, let them buy. Them old men can't keep up with me, man. Bagging that thing up. Let them in. We finna go drop this one off at Bogalusa. It is 2:17. We're gonna take the little back roads since we already on it. We should be there by 3:15. Little curvy road we gotta take. So y'all, we headed on out, man. Them boys, they're probably finna get loaded up for in the morning. They don't run like our Big E run, man. I get it out the mud, man. You hear me? I be longing, man. But yeah, we headed on out this thing, y'all. We strapped down already. And so, do me a favor, like, share, subscribe to the channel. And we'll turn y'all back on when we get the Bogalusa. All right, y'all. We parked up for the day. Man, just want to show y'all the K-Dub, man. I haven't done nothing else to the truck far, even with the engine. But hey, we're gonna start getting things done, man. You know, we had to go back to the drawing board, had to reassess the situation and do what we need to do, man, to make some changes so we'll know which step that I need to take. But man, that concludes the video for today. I'm trying to upload every day, y'all, for the rest of the year. I know I probably missed a couple days on the weekends, but hey, I'm just doing what I can, man, and I hope y'all like the footage, and y'all stay tuned. Peace. Got a couple old trucks right there. Old classic right there. Oh yeah.